Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Make glue snowflakes. To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah.
The science behind the experiment. Glue contains water and a chemical called polyvinyl acetate. That has long, flexible molecules that intertwine in the water like boiling spaghetti. These molecules keep the food coloring from spreading. But when you add the dish soap, the molecules of the detergent break up the connection between the water and the polyvinyl acetate.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.